So let's talk a bit more about PU, polyurethane, and PE, polyethylene. It's funny, PE actually stands for polyethylene, but in the climbing sector it refers to polyester. With PU, polyurethane, the shapes are getting larger and tapering off. This means that a material is needed that has high impact toughness, while at the same time being as abrasion resistant as filled polyester. You can already see that these grips, once they are worn down, become really ugly. With PU, polyurethane, I can of course create much nicer colors and also shapes. Regarding PU, polyurethane, again, we have two components, which are polyol and isocyanate. They are mixed together and then a chemical reaction starts. One can also fill the products like PE, polyethylene, which is not an issue. However, it is the case that the impact toughness is significantly reduced. Then I can no longer produce these hollow bag grips, which are also nice and light, just as little as these corners. This means that as soon as the grip hits the table, the corner would break off. Therefore, it is usually used unfilled. We have two variants, namely the L, slow variant, and the S, fast variant. L stands for slow, S for fast. Relatively simple. L is typically processed in hand casting, so we have about 7 minutes of processing time. That means you can take your bucket, add the color, then the hardener, mix it, and then you can fill your molds. The S variant is processed using a machine, which we will see later. Both components are dosed in the mixing head, then mixed, and you can pour it into the mold. The difference is that we have a pot life of about 2 minutes. This means that the mold should be filled within 2 minutes. The great advantage here is that you naturally have a significantly higher output. The grips are firm after 10 minutes, depending on the shape, and you can demold them. This means you also have a super fast cycle time. With the material that is processed in hand casting, you need to wait about 1 hour before you can remove the grips from the mold.